So you will come in through the staff lounge door that's on that
So
side.
we don't have to call to say that we're gonna come in.
Nope. If you are the very first person on campus, the very first person, this alarm keypad, the minute you open up that door, it will do a countdown. It's a 60-second countdown. So from the minute you open up that door, you have 60 seconds to get over here. It'll wake up on its own. You wave your fob here with the circle with
Just wave it.
parentheses.
Just
Wave it one time. Yeah, the blank side. That's what you're gonna do if you're the very first person. If you're the second person on site, you have to touch the screen to wake it up. It's not gonna wake up on its own, and if you wave your fob, it's not gonna work. You have to wake it up. The bottom of the screen, there's 3 little dots. You're gonna press those 3 little dots. You're gonna go to the on and off square. Press that. Third option down is off. And then you don't wanna do select, turn off selected area. You wanna do a turn off. The token that you have only gives you access to the areas your key works in. Your classroom and the common room. So again, 3 buttons, on, off, third option down, off, and then you're gonna do turn off. When you do turn off, it's gonna request for passcode. Now remember, we don't have passcodes, we have tokens. So your token is your passcode. It's gonna request your for a passcode, it's your token, present it in the middle, and it'll turn off your areas. Right now, it's saying no areas to turn off, obviously because the alarm system is completely off. But on the weekend, it'll turn off the areas of the campus that you are assigned to.